Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Topstep account in just a few quick steps. So let's dive in. Now, once you're logged into your Topstep account, you want to head straight to your dashboard. And from here, you want to look for your trade report and open it. Now, inside the trade report, you'll see a reset button. Just go ahead and click that, choose the reset option, and then complete the purchase. Just remember, resets are paid, so you'll need to confirm the transaction. Now, here's something a lot of people miss. Every monthly subscription comes with one free automatic reset. This gets applied on your billing date only if you broke a rule before that date. So, if that's the case, you may not need to pay for a manual reset at all. And that's basically it. Just make sure you have an active subscription and you'll be able to reset your account whenever you need. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.